Here's the shift linkage for a 96 Saturn SL2. It's broke here. There's a plastic piece that holds this that round ball right here, and the shift linkage. Saturn wanted $200 for the linkage and $300 for the labor, so I decided to try to fix this myself. I repaired it by drilling a hole in the center of this ball here and tapping it out with a 824 tap. After I tapped it out, here's a Allen head screw, 1/2 inch. Here's a 1/4 inch washer, 1/4 inch fender washer, and a 1/4 inch rubber washer. So what I've done here, take the screw here, put this washer through here, the fender washer, and then the plastic washer. And then what you got to do is get the linkage put back together. Okay, I put a little bit of Loctite on there, so I'm just going to work this in there and screw it in. There it is. And I just snug it down good and tight, and there you go, repaired. Cost me in parts probably about $2. So saved me quite a bit of money. I hope this helps somebody. It seems to be a common problem with the Saturn stick shifts. I've seen it quite a bit on the internet, so give it a try if you have this problem.